In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keyframe color in DaVinci Resolve. To get started, open your project and head over to the color page. This is the section in DaVinci Resolve where you make color adjustments to your footage, and it's also where you can animate those changes over time using keyframes. If you're new to this, keyframing simply means telling Resolve when an adjustment should start and when it should change, so the software can smoothly transition between those points. Once you're on the color page, select the clip you want to keyframe. Make sure you click on the correct shot in your timeline because any color changes and keyframes you add will apply to that selected clip. It's always a good idea to confirm you're working on the right clip before making any adjustments. Next, look over to the row of icons on the right-hand side of the interface. In that area, you'll find the Keyframe diamond icon. Go ahead and click it to open the Keyframe tab. This panel is where you'll control animation for different settings inside the color page. When the Keyframe tab opens, you'll see that the available options each have a small diamond icon next to them. Those diamonds are what allow you to add keyframes. Clicking a diamond tells DaVinci Resolve to remember the current setting at that specific point in time. This is what makes it possible to animate your color corrections instead of having them stay static for the entire clip. From there, you can begin changing the color and working with the keyframe. For example, you might set one keyframe with your starting look, then move to another point in the clip and adjust the color so it shifts over time. Resolve will automatically create the transition between those keyframe changes, giving you a smooth, animated result. As you work, it helps to move through the clip carefully and check how the color change plays back. Subtle adjustments often look more natural than extreme ones, especially if you're creating a gradual color shift. If the animation doesn't look right, you can go back to the keyframe controls and refine your changes until the timing and look feel correct. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know where the keyframe tab is and how to activate those diamond icons, you can start animating color directly inside DaVinci Resolve with much more control and precision.